Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are changing the backlight bulb for Aveo as they are not working properly. So these one are not working, right? So we're gonna replace the upper bulb, and lower bulb are working fine, but we ordered all four, so we're gonna change all four. So let's start. Brake W, press brake. You can see the upper lights are not working, so we're gonna replace these one are fine, but anyways, turn on the lights. See, these one only working with the light, but when we are pressing brake, these are not working properly. So to do this, see, when we are hitting brake, only these one working, this one not working, these are supposed to be working. So to do this, just open your trunk, kar do, and we have two screw over there. You guys can use screwdriver to open this up. Are you bar? एक मिनट उरी पकड़ ले नेड़ा से दिखा दो थोड़ा सा. To open this up, you have to pull it a little bit harder. There are two locks on that side, so you have to push a little bit. And don't push harder, otherwise lock will get break. See, so we are changing that bulb. To open this up, you have to just rotate it like this and just pull it out. And to open this up, push it down and rotate it. So same thing with the installation, just push it down and rotate it, that's how. And when you're putting in, make sure these locks are properly aligned with that thing. So that bigger lock will go that side like this, and you can rotate it clockwise, and that's how. And same thing with the down one, just rotate it, pull it out, just push it. Oh. Pause kariyo. So it's the same thing, you can just push it down and pull it, and then again you can put it, push it, and that's it. And to put it back, these are the two locks, so these go there. You can just put it here and just push it, that's it. And you guys can put screw back and tighten them. There's no torque specs for these one, you can just hand tight them, and that's how you can change your backlight bulb if they are fused. It's the same thing for the other side too. So thank you so much guys. for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and comment it if you want to ask any question. Thank you so much.